in case you have a working PC but there's no post on the PC, the very first thing you do is to turn it off, then remove all connections, power supply, and just press and hold the power button for it to dissipate. Sometimes it comes from the CMOS battery, which has been changed, or the configuration is tied to another graphics card or something like that. So then you do that for about 30 minutes. You do that for about 30 seconds to 1 minute for the whole thing to discharge and dissipate. Then once it is done, you connect everything back again. Then so let's see. So there you have it. The easiest way to solve no booting or no posting. So it says a new CPU is installed, FTPM NV corrupted, or a new structure has been changed. So press Y to reset, and usually it does that when you connect or insert a new CPU or a new graphics card, because it is connected to the old settings. So you have to reset it by using the dissipation method, where you turn off everything and then turn the power button down so that it will be able to reset it. So with this done, I just connect my keyboard. Ouch. So connect my keyboard, and then this is the new settings I will be going with. So I'll just press Y for it to reset it. So that's it.